Alexa, call center.
Calling call centers mobile.
مرحبا بكم في خدمة
Alexa,
برستيج للعملاء
Alexa,
المميزين.
disconnect the call. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you the Echo Connect. I just got it as a deal from Prime Day. I think it retails at around $35, but I got it only for $20, which is a good deal. So I really didn't know about it before Prime Day, and it was when I just checked the features, it's quite useful. So basically you connect it to your landline connection and it becomes just like your landline phone, but it works all over your Alexa devices in the home. So you can have a speaker phone that is hands-free everywhere at your home. That's a good idea. So the reason why I'm doing this video is I want to show how if it works in the UAE or not, because everyone is trying it in the USA, it seems. Nobody seems to have tried it outside of USA. So I've got a forwarding shipment service and I got it here in the UAE. Hopefully it will be up and running. So what's in the pack? Let's see what's in the back. I have to just remove this. This may be my first video where I just show basic stuff without any modification. But it is an interesting piece of device and for a very cheap price actually. So this is the main device itself. And it has the LEDs, it seems, in the front. And it has a micro USB connection, a phone jack. And that's it, seems, in the device. What's in the box? Maybe an adapter, USB adapter for sure, like everything that comes with Alexa. So that's good. So it's a detachable micro USB wire and a landline connection, but I'm gonna use the one which is already in my wall outlet, already connected to my wall outlet. I didn't seem to find the adapter, and I found it. Yeah, it's just a small basic adapter which maybe is half an amp. Let's see how many. 5 watts, and maybe 5 volts. So okay, how many? So it's 1 amp only. Okay, so 5 volts into 1 amp, that means 5 watts. Makes sense. And that's it. That's what's in the box. Now I'll try to connect it and try to operate it in my home. So I have got an eLife connection, and the difference in eLife is your landline does not connect. This seems to be the user manual. So the difference in eLife, to reach high speeds, and to save in the wiring across the homes, so they use the same fiber wire for connecting the internet and the landline and the TV, all of them together in one fiber wire to your home. And to do the landline, it's some sort of an emulation of a landline. It's not the real landline like the old copper days. So there are some quirks with that, like maybe some fax machines doesn't work usually. That was in the old days. I don't know if they fixed that. So hopefully this won't be affected with the eLife connection. Let's see. So now I'll connect the landline jack. Sorry for that. So just disconnect the RJ11. This is, I don't know what they call it, maybe RJ11, and connect it to the jack behind the Echo Connect. Now I have to connect the power and let's test it. Okay, so I hooked it up. Now it seems to have to try to connect to the Wi-Fi. I'll continue from the phone. It seems to have connected to landline, detected the landline. That's good. So I'll just try to connect it from the Alexa app on my phone. I'll continue streaming from the phone. So I'm opening up the Alexa app. I think I have to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, now I have to add the device. Is it there? Amazon Echo, plug, switch, hub. Doesn't seem to be any of these. Maybe hub, maybe Echo. Echo Connect, this is the one. So the question is, how does it know my Wi-Fi password? How will it configure my device? Okay, it seems I have to change the country. UAE is not listed there. There was a workaround listed by someone that you can log into the Alexa site on the web and change the country code by changing the input label. So I'll try that. Just for now, I'll just choose United States. So I don't have one. Maybe I'll just put the I'll put the Aramix Shop and Ship phone. Let me do that. Just pause this video. So I was able to continue without putting the phone. That's a good thing to do. Continue. Come on, just used to work. Do I really have to? Okay, so let me put the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever it is. Begin Wi-Fi setup. Continue. Wait for the Wi-Fi. Okay, it is flashing orange. Make sure your OK Connect is plugged into a power outlet. Connect it to your home phone jack or Wi-Fi phone adapter, then continue. Okay, continue. Manually connect the Echo Connect. Fine, I'll do that. So that's how it works. It advertises as an access point. Now it can configure Amazon Echo. Okay. Manually connect to Echo. I did that. Next, what should I do? May take a minute. If you see a notification Wi-Fi has no internet access touch options, touch it and select yes. Fine. I'll do that. Touch it, touch option. Okay. So it is connected. Please continue. Please. So okay. What should I do? Okay, maybe I have to press the reset button for 5 seconds. It is flashing. What should I do? Continue. Use your Wi-Fi settings. May take up on display. Okay, I did that and it's not working. Okay, I'll add it again. Add device. Amazon Echo. It seems I have to reconnect. No, okay. Echo connect. That's a funny quirk. You need to connect, not the Amazon network. Okay. Okay, next. Continue. It's plugged and it's flashing. Okay, continue. The setup process seems to be buggy a bit. So when is it gonna prompt me for the password? Is it ever gonna do that? Okay, so select Wi-Fi network. Okay, yeah. Go back. Come on. Okay, select my Wi-Fi network. I'll put the password. I'll pause the video. Okay, so it's preparing the Echo Connect. So it's flashing white and orange, and the phone line is flashing. It's flashing. It seems to be, and there is a link LED that has an arrow, up and down arrow. It's white now. Wi-Fi is flashing white and orange, and everything is white except the phone. Your Echo Connect is online. Continue. Okay, so this is the quirk here that I have to fix from the Alexa web portal. So every time I try to call someone, it will automatically add one. So to dial numbers without adding one, go to settings and tap Echo Connect. Fine, I'll do that. Easy to connect with family and friends. Fine. Okay. Next, settings. Is there any setting for Echo Connect? Device settings. Echo Connect. Echo Connect. Dial 1 for local calls. No. Okay. Maybe this doesn't require any workaround. Let's try now. I'll try to call a normal phone number. I'll switch to the camera again. Okay, so at last everything is solid white. I don't know, I just tried random things, turning it on, turning it off, deregistering, registering, changing countries, Germany, UK, USA, Ireland, and then suddenly it worked. I think it's now stuck on Ireland. So now if I just want to try the call, Alexa, call 101.
101.
مرحبا بكم في خدمة تدوين الاتصالات. للاستمرار باللغة العربية اضغط 1. Welcome to Eddie Salon's Prestige Customer Care. To continue in English, press 2.
Okay. Does dial tone work? Alexa, 1.
نتلقى أي رد منك. يرجى المحاولة مرة أخرى. Sorry, we did not receive any response from you. Please try again. مرحبا بكم في خدمة برستيج للعملاء المميزين للاتصالات.
Alexa,
للاستمرار باللغة العربية
Alexa,
اضغط.
press 1.
إن خدمتنا الذكية تتيح لك دفع فواتيرك والاشتراك في العديد من الخدمات عن طريق بعض الخطوات البسيطة. للخدمات الذكية اضغط 1. للتحدث مع أحد موظفي خدمة العملاء اضغط 2.
Alexa, press 2.
سيتم تحويل
Alexa,
مكالمتك إلى أحد
Alexa,
موظفي خدمة.
disconnect the call. That's good. So everything works. Dialing a number, pressing a dial tone. So last thing I'll try is to dial a contact saved on Alexa. Alexa, call center.
Calling call centers mobile.
مرحبا بكم في خدمة برستيج للعملاء المميزين للاتصالات. للاستمرار باللغة
Disconnect the call. That's good. So even calling contacts saved on your phone works using Echo Connect. So this proves everything works in the UAE fine. I didn't do any workaround to change the line opening code. I think I just chose Ireland. I'll confirm that in the comments or description. So that's it. It was a very good deal. Maybe now it's not that good, but that's a good idea to call from any Amazon speaker instead of looking for your landline phone somewhere on in your house. And gives a very good hands-free experience with a good sound, echo cancelling and noise cancelling, and the microphone array in Alexa is pretty good, so I'm sure that the voice will be very good for voice calls. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll try to post more technical videos next time. So just so you know, I did choose Germany. That what worked, and the device restarted by itself a couple of times and started working. So that's how it goes.